How will be for Indians in coming years? Now, there is lot of restriction, H-1B visa restrictions and green card restrictions is being imposed by Trump. And all USA allies are also following the same route. Now, let's astrologically see how the Indians are going to fare. What is going to be the future of Indians for all settled abroad? The first level is the immigration to USA started in 1965 when it started slowly growing momentum. The Indians went there only for educational purpose, not for work purpose. Then with the economical reforms brought down by Dr. Manmohan Singh, Indians started to travel once again in a mass numbers to America. This is very true, especially in 1995. Now it's exactly 30 years. The IT dream is slowly coming down. With the 30 years, one full transit cycle. Transit moving from Aries to Meena, it's getting over. So when transit is coming into Meena, now Saturn is sitting in the Meena, this could mean there is going to be a lot of churn in the first and second level of people who went to USA in recent times. So the mass exodus of people who went recently will start to happen. Then as Saturn is going into the 12th house of Indian independence horoscope, which is the Rashi of Mesha, which means the exodus will start, which will be exactly completing the 60 plus years of the people moving, the big intelligent and brainy people who moved into America, they'll all come back now. And with the 60 plus years, the tide of time will change. So it's no longer the dream idea of going to US or any country to study. From studying, it will become very challenging for you to get a job there. And once you get it, to stay, to buy and to grow in USA, in foreign soil will become a very big question mark. And whoever have gone in last 10 years, they may have to come back now. Or the place will become so turmoil or volatile that the jobs, getting a new jobs or permanency of the job or extension of the job will all be a question mark. So coming back will be forced down on them. Especially people who went after 2005 or 2010, that last 15 years, people who have tried to go there, study, settle and get the job, coming back will be the only option. Next, people all have the dream that you have to leave and go away to a foreign country, then your life is secured. That will be no longer there. How UK implemented that your salary base has to be so much, like 3,000 pounds, the same way the US will also implement. Recently, I did a horoscope reading for a girl. I was like astonished how she had managed to stay there. She went there in 2022 or 2021, shortly after the first wave of COVID stopped, that first wave of COVID ended. She had taken a loan of 45 lakhs. She has gone there. She finished in 2024. And in the last 15 months, she has applied for 1,000 companies. And only one interview came and none other companies are willing to take her back. Now she does not have a job. And she says within 2 to 3 months, I have to decide whether I can stay in USA or not. Now the next question is, how is she managing that? She said, some of my relatives are there. They are helping me, which I have to repay them back. Now she has, it must be the loan must have come to almost 55 lakhs for whatever she had stayed there for 15 months. Now she has to come back to India and it will be a very difficult thing to pay the loan as well as making money and settling her life. This will be a stray incident now, but will become a common feature. So astrologically, when Saturn moves into the Mesha Rasi, in 2027, it's going to be still more tough and challenging for Indians to go there, especially to ASA or some other country to study and settle. I was like shocked with the mentality. I've been trying to tell that girl to move to Europe. Her mind was not moving. She has a fixated idea. No, I have come to USA. I have to get the job in USA. I have to settle. Now, things will be all right if I settle down. That's it. It was going round in her mind again and again. Now, that is not the case. The dream of settling in USA is over. So, astrologically also, the time of movement is over. Now, karmically, let's go back. All these people have worked to develop the American companies. So, somebody worked, somebody enjoyed. So, the punya is coming back, which means eventually they have to come to the karma bhumi, which is India. That's their birthplace, not America. So the pull or that magnetic force and attraction will be there. Many people may not like it, but eventually astrological time pattern of 60 years will take over, because none of the same scenario will continue for either 30 years, one transit cycle, max 2 transit cycle of 60 years. Afterwards, obviously there's going to be the change. So for Indians, it will be a travel back time to their homeland. This is Jayashree talking about our future of Indians.